Hi friends, this is your Lesson 9 exit ticket. So just as you did in your practice or you saw in your Ursula learning video, we are comparing numbers, okay? So we always know that the alligator or the shark wants to eat that bigger number, okay? So you're going to look at these two numbers and you're going to figure out which one is greater, okay? Which one is bigger. Remember, friends, we always want to look in that tens place, okay? And if the tens is the same number, then we've got to look to the ones place and see which one of those numbers is bigger, okay? So remember, that mouth always wants to eat the larger number. So wherever the mouth is opening, you're going to put that larger number here, okay? So you look at these two numbers. Which one is greater or bigger, you're going to put that number here and then the smaller number here. But look, friends, the symbol has changed. Now it's facing this way. So now you want to put the bigger number on this side of the mouth because remember, he always wants to eat that bigger number, okay? So pay attention to which side the symbol is facing, okay? And always put that bigger number where the mouth can eat up and gobble up that number, okay?